Did you know that there are some actual tricks to get Louis Vuitton on sale, which is unheard of? So I'm gonna teach you how. Hey guys, it's Christina and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna teach you how to get Louis Vuitton on sale. Yes, on sale. I know that Louis Vuitton never has sales, so these are just some tricks I've learned over time on how to get Louis Vuitton discounted even though it doesn't exist. So basically I have 5 things that I do that I'm able to get Louis Vuitton at a discount, and I'm going to go over them with you right now. Alright guys, so my first trick with Louis Vuitton is to shop at department stores instead of the actual Louis Vuitton store. So there's a lot of department stores out there that have little Louis Vuitton boutiques inside of them, like Nordstrom, Neiman Marcus, Saks. And the reason for that is because a lot of these department stores have loyalty rewards programs. So basically, like Nordstrom has Nordy Notes, Neiman Marcus has like their In-Circle points. So what happens is when you go shop in the Louis Vuitton inside the department stores, you earn points and you can actually use those points at the Louis Vuitton store, which is amazing. And if you have like a gift card to Nordstrom, Neiman Marcus, Saks, you can use those gift cards at the Louis Vuitton boutique inside. So this is a great way to get Louis Vuitton at a discount. It's something I personally do all the time. I rarely go into the actual Louis Vuitton stores. I much prefer to shop at the department store ones, and usually they are a little bit smaller, but they actually have a lot of inventory, and they can usually order something for you if they don't have it right then and there, and then you're able to use your points. So it is such a good trick to get that Louis Vuitton bag you want for a discounted price. So the second way that you can get Louis Vuitton on sale is to shop pre-owned. This is something I do all the time. I personally love to shop at Fashion File. Fashion File is kind of like a thrift store, but only for luxury goods. They do sell some shoes, but they're known for their handbags. So you can get Louis Vuitton a lot cheaper there than if you were to buy it in stores. Now, there's certain bags that are really trendy that they sometimes kind of put at a little bit of a higher price. So you do need to do your research before shopping at Fashion File, because sometimes their stuff is a little overpriced. But if it's a handbag that's like not as trendy or like super hot right now, you can get it for such a good deal. And they're constantly doing like 10, 20, and 30% off once like items have been on their website for a period of time. So definitely check out Fashion File. I shop there all the time and you can get such good deals. So the third way to get Louis Vuitton at a discount is to use your credit card rewards. So for example, I know when you use your Trace credit card, you earn points, and then you can convert those points into actual dollars that get put into your checking account. There are so many great credit cards out there that offer you points like that, where you can just convert your points to money, and then you can head to Louis Vuitton and use that cash to buy a new bag. So one place that I personally love selling and also shopping on is Poshmark. So one great thing about Poshmark is you can actually make an offer. So for example, when you shop on Fashion File, that's the price. So if you want that, you have to purchase it at that price, like no ifs, ands, or buts. But with Poshmark, if it's the price that you're not happy with, you can make a deal with the seller. You can put in an offer and you can try to get it discounted. So from my personal experience, I feel like sellers on Poshmark are willing to make deals. They want to make sales, and they know that like a big part of Poshmark is making offers. So I do feel like they will come down in price a little bit, as long as you're within reason. Like, don't lowball people. That's like the worst thing ever. If somebody is listing a handbag for $1,000, don't offer them $200. That's like kind of ridiculous, but you could probably get it down a little bit. So like, let's say they're selling a Gucci bag for $1,000. You could offer them $700, and then maybe you guys could agree on like around $850. So you can get like things a little bit discounted, but don't lowball people and be offensive about it. Because that's just annoying to sellers. I know personally when I sell things, when people lowball offer me, it's just kind of a waste of everybody's time. But I am willing to negotiate a little bit, and I think most sellers on Poshmark are. So that is a great way to buy some Louis Vuitton at a discounted price. And if you buy anything over $500, Poshmark will authenticate it for you for free, so you can feel like safe buying it knowing that it's authentic. And then the last way, and maybe an obvious way, but it's just to ask for gift cards. So there's always people in your life that want to buy you something, whether it's for Christmas, your birthday, or whatever holidays that you celebrate. So you can always ask for a gift card, and if you like feel like it's a little too bougie to say you want a Louis Vuitton gift card, just say that you want like a Visa gift card, because those you can use anywhere. Take that to Louis Vuitton and use the Visa gift card, or like I said from the first tip, you could ask for a Nordstrom gift card or a Neiman Marcus gift card, and then you can go use that gift card inside the Louis Vuitton boutiques. So not all department stores have Louis Vuitton inside of them. You'll have to check and see which ones do, but that is such a great tip, and I personally love doing that. So I hope that you guys find this helpful, and if you love Louis Vuitton and you want to check out my entire Louis Vuitton collection, I'm going to link that video right here so you can go watch it next, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!